We have Mu'izz from the UK.
Sheikh, what are the ruling if you're missed a few days due to breastfeeding and fasting, in order to make up fasting? What do I need to do?
Okay, first of all, Allah Azza wa Jal has exempted those who are sick or traveling from fasting Ramadan on time and gave them the concession to make up when they are residing or well. Now, the scholars said that a woman who's breastfeeding or a pregnant woman falls under the category of sick or ill. So she is exempted from fasting if there is hardship and she's unable to do so in most likely cases because of thirst, of fatigue, of hunger, etc. So she is exempted and has the permission to make up later on once this reason that prevented her from fasting Ramadan is gone. So maybe she's breastfeeding for a couple of years. So the first Ramadan is gone, the second Ramadan is gone. And then after she is not breastfeeding anymore, she has to make up these 60 days or whatever she had missed. What happens if she was on a tight schedule and Ramadan was due and she could not make up for these days? There's no problem. She fasts Ramadan. Afterwards, she makes up for the missed days. Is she obliged to feed any poor person because she missed few Ramadans? The answer is no. Even if she delayed it without any legitimate excuse, the most authentic opinion is that she should repent and ask Allah for forgiveness and make up only the missed days without any penalty or feeding the poor, and Allah knows best.